In this video, we're going to look at setting up a GitHub account. So we go to github.com, and in the top corner here we click sign up, and we enter our email and create a password. So we create a username. Click yes or no for product announcements. We verify the puzzle. And now we create our account. And now a code will be sent to the email we signed up with. And you can fill this stuff out if you want, or else just click continue. And I'm going to choose a free account. So now we have GitHub set up. So now that we're in our dashboard, we can create a repository. We go up here to settings and add a photograph. Or we can just generally explore what GitHub has to offer. So thank you for joining me in this video. And if you liked what you've seen, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment below. See you in the next one.